Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply 88. Today we have for you a Terrimite T5C mini backhoe loader. The purpose of this video today is to give you just a quick 360-degree view of this backhoe. We're going to start, run it, put it through all its paces, and show you that everything does work just the way it should. We're going to go ahead and start you right up front here and show you something you will have a very hard time finding ever on a Terrimite. This backhoe comes with a factory 4-in-1 bucket from Terrimite. These machines were owned originally by Washington Power and Gas utility company. They always had a 4-in-1 bucket on it. They had an oil pressure gauge and a 4-in-1 bucket, no hour meters on these. We bought this machine approximately 7 years ago. It was like brand new at the time. We sold it to a local customer here, and he has internally traded it in on a mini excavator. His work has changed, no longer needed the machine. The machine is in good running and working condition. And like I said, I just wanted to point that out. You won't find many of those at all with a 4-in-1 bucket. That was a very expensive option from Terrimite. It's a 51-inch wide 4-in-1 bucket. The machine last year had a brand new Honda GX620 20 horsepower V-twin gas engine installed by a local Honda shop here. Engine's excellent, starts and runs good, has plenty of power. It originally had the Kohler engine in it. It is a power steering model Terrimite, has excellent rubber all the way around. Does have the street pads here, has a 12-inch bucket on it. The backhoe, what we have found, and we're just going to be 100% honest here, there's one cylinder here that has a little leak, there's one or two hoses down here in the swing that has a leak. It's not a brand new backhoe, but if you're looking for something around the house, around the farm, you want a little work, this thing will run you a long time. And that's why we didn't go through it and redo all the cylinders and stuff. Somebody can get a deal and have a nice little machine that they can use, and it has, like I said, it has a couple of oil leaks, good seat, there's one or two little small cracks, power steering again, everything there is good. Essentially the backhoe is not welded, busted, does have the factory Terrimite ROPS on it with the little cab on the top. There's one headlight that wasn't working, but other than that, we did change engine oil and hydraulic filters and stuff, went through it that way. Mechanically it's fine, just has a couple little leaks. But if you want to go out and do you don't want to spend $15,000 on one, right here is a very inexpensive one. You'll do a lot of work. We're going to go ahead and start her up, run it through all its gears, show you everything works. go out, do work around your place or on the farm, it's perfect. It's affordable. Anybody can afford a little machine like this. Again, there's a couple little leaks, and again, it is 8'4" digging depth on a Terrimite. Do not be, what do I want to say, fooled by what one of these little backhoes will do. Terrimite is an unbelievable little digging machine. There's a lot of other competitors models out there have tried to build something similar, but Terrimite just has good power. They're a good digging little tractor. They really are. If you have any questions or need a freight quote, we can ship these very reasonable. You can give us a call at 814-658-3066. Thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply 88. Happy eBaying.